Samsung is plus 9.49% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 20th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is up 9.49% to 271,000 Korean wons in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 252,500 Korean wons and 273,000 Korean wons. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as our stock futures steady after tech slump. Investors focus on Middle East tensions, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus StockTwits. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Honda surged plus 4.78% to 1,741 yen and 50 sen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that did strong Q1 earnings and upgraded guidance just shift Honda Motors, TSE 7267, investment narrative? Simplywall.st. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Honda sits around 1,845 yen and 99 sen. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Toyota surged plus 4.25% to 3,066 yen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Toyota's updated electric SUV is turning into a sleeper hit electric. China JV profitability is under pressure from domestic EV competition. Watch for any volume data from BYD and NIO as a proxy for Toyota's China market share trajectory. Japan domestic pricing power remains strong. Rocket Lab plunged minus 4.19% to $75.84 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Rocket Lab, RKLB, joins $981 million a Space Force Nightstar program, Simplywall.st. Space systems manufacturing, solar panels, reaction wheels, radio frequency components is generating reliable cash flow that cushions launch market volatility. Any tactically responsive space contract win with the US DoD would directly boost near-term Electron revenue. The long-term re-rating catalyst is Neutron's maiden flight timeline. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.